Hello viewers, welcome to NTSC SSC exam preparation presented by DV Zilen, BitBank, multiple choice questions, SAT 5th video, Class 10 Social Studies, 2nd chapter, Ideas of Development. Question number 1. Which of the following may be the developmental goals or aspirations of an agricultural laborer? Correct answer, all the above. More days of work and better wages. Local school that is able to provide quality education for their children. No social discrimination and they too can become leaders in the village. Question number 2. Match the following. Correct option 1C, 2A, 3B. Modern industries 400 years ago. Agriculture 12,000 years ago. Hunters and food gatherers 2 lakh years ago. Question number 3. Kudankulam nuclear power project is located in the Tirunelveli district of Dash state. Correct answer, Tamil Nadu. Question number 4. The people in the region of Kudankulam have protested against nuclear power plant on the grounds of Dash. Correct answer, all the above. Safety, security and livelihood. Question number 5. The incident of a vessel dumping 500 tons of liquid toxic wastes into open air dumps happened in the city of Abidjan in Dash, a country in Africa, in 2006. Correct answer, Ivory Coast. Question number 6. Besides seeking more income, which of the following things is not sought by most of the people? Correct option, political power. Question number 7. Which of the following is correct? Correct answer, both A and B. People have different developmental goals and people have conflicting developmental goals. Question number 8. Which of the following is correct? Correct answer, all the above. Different persons can have different developmental goals. What may be development for one may not be development for the other. Development may even destructive for the others. Question number 9. A Dash environment may allow more women to take up a variety of jobs or run a business. Correct answer, safe and secure. Question number 10. Which of the following is not correct if women are engaged in paid work? Correct option, their dignity in society decreases. Question number 11. What is the income of a country? Correct answer, the total of the income of all residents of the country. Question number 12. The total income of the country divided by total population is called. Correct answer, per capita income. Question number 13. The criterion used in the World Development Report of the World Bank to classify countries is. Correct answer, per capita income. Question number 14. India falls under the category of dash income countries. Correct answer, middle. Question number 15. The rich countries, excluding the countries of West Asia and certain other small countries, are generally called. Correct answer, developed countries. Question number 16. The number of children who die within 1 year out of 1000 live children born is called. Correct answer, infant mortality rate, IMR. Question number 17. Literacy rate measures the percentage of literate population in the dash years and above age group. Correct answer, 7 years. Question number 18. Human Development Report HDR is published every year by dash. Correct answer, UNDP, United Nations Development Program. Human Development Report HDR compares countries based on dash. Correct answer, all the above. People's educational attainment, people's health status, and per capita income. Question number 20. Per capita income is calculated in dash for all countries. Correct answer, US dollars. Question number 21. Mean years of schooling is the average number of completed years of education of a country's population aged dash years and above. Correct answer, 25. Question number 22. The schooling revolution happened in the state of dash. Correct answer, Himachal Pradesh. Question number 23. Schooling has become a social norm in Himachal Pradesh due to dash. Correct answer, all the above. Low child mortality rate of girls than that of boys. Himachali women work outside the home. Mothers expect their daughters work outside the home after marriage. Question number 24. Dash is an important question one must address while thinking about development. Correct answer, whose development? Question number 25. According to World Development Report 2017 brought out by the World Bank, if the per capita income of a country is above 995 US dollars and below 12,055 US dollars, then it is categorized as dash. Correct answer, middle income country. Thank you for watching this video. Let us meet with the next lesson. Thank you.